is a T-119A Compumatic, the finest of its kind.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, T-119A. They're supposed to do that. Next, behold, the Noxus Enterprises Super SPU-31, liquid-cooled mobile processing unit, a mind-staggering combination of both power and refinement.
That'll help you get the formula.
And now, Karen, the piece de resistance. Have you ever witnessed such marvelous machinery?
It sort of just looks like an old hairdryer taped to the back of a miniature windmill.
I can see how someone at your level of technical knowledge would think that, Karen, but in actuality, what you are looking at is... Oh, right.
I don't recall you ever having reason to own a hairdryer, Plankton.
Okay, here we go. Are you gonna make me get the picture down again?
What picture?
You see, plenty of reason to be using a hairdryer.
Why are we even talking about this?
Because you were the one who said...
What's going on?
Dear Neptune! Karen, do something! Quick! They're tearing each other apart! Just press a button or something! Not that one!